Everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, we want to go over another chair from Golden's Ally series. This is called the Ally Pro. Now, they have another chair called the Golden Ally. This is more of like an upgraded version of that. So the design of the chair is pretty similar, but it has a few unique features that kind of set it apart. One of them is these Omni-Directional Wheels. And we'll show you more about how these work. It has a front suspension and a few other things. It does support 330 pounds of weight. It has a 13-mile battery range, top speed of 5 miles per hour. It is airline approved, and it's also brought to you by Golden Technologies. So Golden Technologies is one of the premier brands in the powered mobility industry. They have excellent support, excellent warranty, and the warranty includes a 1-year labor contract. So let's get into more about the Ally Pro. So we'll start at the back of the Ally Pro. So you got your anti-tip wheels, just like the regular Golden Ally. Like the back of the design is pretty similar. These are your levers that put the motors into freewheel. So right now they're both flipped up and they're in this locked position. That's how you can operate the chair because it engages the electromagnetic brakes. If you push these both down, it puts it into neutral, and now you can push it like a manual wheelchair. Just keep in mind, if these are both pushed down, you can't operate the chair. They have to both be pushed up so they're in the locked position, so it engages those electromagnetic brakes. This is your battery. So on the sides here, we have a tab. Right now it is horizontal, but if I flip it up, you can see there's a little lock symbol here. There's one on each side. I'm going to do it on the other side as well. So if I have both of these flipped up in that vertical position, these tabs will come out, and then I can pull the battery right out just like that. So you can charge the battery directly on the battery itself, or you can also charge it on the joystick, which is pretty common on most electric wheelchairs. So I'm going to put this back into here, put these tabs back in, and I'm going to flip these little knobs so they are now horizontal. So now it's locked into place. This is a hard shell case. It's waterproof and it has a zipper. So you open this up, you got different pouches within here. You could easily put a laptop in here. You have other zippers in here, so you can store a lot of different things in there. So you got storage there, and then as far as other storage, we got it on the front too, under the seat, and I'll show you that. So you also have a really large storage basket underneath, so a lot of storage for a folding electric wheelchair. I'll show you one other thing here on the back too. So now that I've powered the chair on, you have some running lights. You have a running light here on the battery itself, and then there's 2 running lights here, so you have some visibility in the evening. Now moving on to the seat. The seat is 17 inches in width, 16 inches in depth. You also have a mesh back that is contoured, so it can contour to your back. If you live in a hot environment, this is good. It's breathable material. A couple other little features. The armrests have some padding. It's like this gel padding. And then also we have 2 little knobs here. There's one right here. If I turn these, I can essentially move the armrest in or out. So this is adjustable that way. And then you just twist these to secure it into place. So armrest, I guess you would say they're width adjustable slightly, about an inch or so. They also flip back, so good for easy transfers in and out of the seat. We are giving away a free mobility scooter. Now, from the past of doing this giveaway, this is an authentic giveaway too, guys. We're actually giving these away to real people. This is not something that's set up. We give these to real people that actually subscribe and comment on our videos. But what we're finding is that a lot of times people are hard to get a hold of, and we want to give away to people that are supporting us. So moving forward, if you want to be eligible for this, all you have to do is comment on any video, subscribe to our channel, and then once you've done those things, send us an email at giveaway@electricwheelchairsusa.com. We'll put that on the screen, and then put your username of your YouTube name and we're going to verify that you subscribed and you commented, and we'll have your email, so then we'll be able to let you know if you are one of the winners of our next giveaway. So just wanted to share that with you. And then speaking of the seat, an accessory you have a few accessories for this chair. One of them is, this seat doesn't have it, but there's a little button here. And if you press that button on the optional accessory, it's a heated seat. Pretty unique for a folding electric wheelchair. You also have an optional wireless attendant remote. So if you're a caretaker, you can operate the chair through this wireless remote and just walk beside the user, have that face-to-face interaction. You have an optional headrest you can put on here as well. And there's an optional cup holder that can be put on either side. Now, if you're left-handed or right-handed, if you're left-handed or right-handed, it's easy to swap both of these. I'll go over the joystick. Kind of blends in well with the rest of the armrest, but I have it powered on. Let me power it off. Just holding it in, kind of looks like eyes blinking. In order to power it on, you have to hold this in for about 3 seconds. And if you notice, this is the battery life, 100% charged. This is a locked symbol, and that's because it's in this locked mode, so I can't operate it right now. These are your gears too. It's got 1 through 5. Now, if I wanted to unlock this to use it, you just tap the power button one time. Now it's unlocked, and you can actually operate the chair. This is how you control the speed setting. So if I want to bring it down to the 1 setting or the 2, that's how you would do that. You have a horn. This middle button, FN, this is your novice mode. So basically when you do that, you only have 2 speed settings. So in order to get out of it, just press it again. If you want to get up to that 5 setting. This is SOS. So if I press this N. Alarm, 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 alarm. Oops, and then I press it, hold it in again to get rid of it. Alarm, 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 alarm. So that's like if you had some kind of medical emergency and you need to alert people around you, that's a feature that's been added onto here. The other way you charge the joystick is right here, directly on the joystick, which I mentioned previously. On the other side, we have a USB charging port and a USB-C charging port. So you can charge your cell phone while you're riding this. Now moving on to down here, this is what really sets the chair apart, is these omni-directional wheels. So the wheels will turn, and then they have all these other little wheels that turn, which create this super tight turning radius. And I'll just show you real quick. So if I'm turning to the side, you can see how these wheels are turning. So that's like a really unique design about the chair. So easy to completely turn around.
Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. You can also click on free catalog at the top of our website. You just fill out that short form and submit it, and once we receive that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
So we have a suspension on the front. Has some shock absorption. They are adjustable, so you can turn these to make it more firm or loose. Here's your foot plate that flips up. Foot plate is also adjustable too. I can pull this out and extend the foot plate. So if you wanted a longer foot plate, like if you're a taller rider, you can do that. And then put it back in. You just pull both of these knobs out. Now, as far as folding it, show you how to do that. It folds the same way the regular Ally Pro folds. So you have 2 tabs here. You can see this one's moving when I press this. So it doesn't matter which side you press, but I can press that and just sort of break the link in here, flip up the foot plate, and then it just folds down flat like this. So it folds it's pretty unique in the way that it folds. It's not traditional like a lot of folding electric wheelchairs. Now, if I want to unfold it, there's a bar here on the back. So you want to press this bar down. You want to press it down. It'll allow you to unfold it. It's easier to pull the seat back up by grabbing this bar Once you do that, if you put your knee into this, that's how you would unfold it. Now, very important thing to keep in mind, this chair weighs about 75 pounds. So it's a heavier chair. So that's something you need to be aware of, but it's popular because it's not like a traditional folding electric wheelchair. So a lot of people really like that. And it has a lot of bells and whistles, something that you're not really going to find really unique to the industry. So this is the Ally Pro. If you have any questions about it, give us a call. We're open every day. We have a great relationship with Golden Technologies. Our phone number is at the bottom of the screen. It's 1-800-682-9444. You can also visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this video was helpful to help you learn more about the Ally Pro.